Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Anywhere. I'm Jackson. In today's lesson, you're going to learn how to answer this common English question. What have you been working on? You may also hear questions like, what have you been doing lately? What have you done so far? What haven't you done yet? These questions are very common in daily conversations, job interviews, English classes, and conversations with friends. Many English learners understand these questions, but they don't know how to answer naturally. So today, I'll show you exactly how to answer them with confidence. Let's get started. Part 1. Understanding the questions. First, let's understand what each question means. Question 1. What have you been working on? This question asks about something you've been spending your time doing recently. It usually focuses on an ongoing activity or project. For example, studying English, working on a YouTube channel, learning Japanese, preparing for an exam, improving your skills. Notice that the action started in the past and is still continuing now. Question 2. What have you been doing? This is a more general question. Instead of asking about one project, it asks about your recent activities. For example, working, studying, exercising, reading books, practicing English. Question 3. What have you done so far? This question asks about your progress. It wants to know what you've already completed. Think about your achievements up to this moment. Question 4. What haven't you done yet? This question asks about things you still haven't completed. Maybe you're planning to do them later. Now let's learn how to answer each question naturally. Part 2. How to answer. Let's imagine someone asks, what have you been working on? A simple answer pattern is, I've been plus verb ing. Examples. I've been studying English every day. I've been working on my YouTube channel. I've been learning Japanese. I've been practicing speaking. I've been reading English books. I've been improving my digital marketing skills. I've been looking for a better job. I've been saving money. I've been editing videos. I've been preparing to work abroad. These are all natural answers. Now let's make our answers a little longer. Instead of saying, I've been studying English, say, I've been studying English every evening after work. Or, I've been studying English because I want to speak more confidently. Or, I've been studying English to prepare for working abroad. Adding a reason makes your answer sound much more natural. Part 3. Talking about your progress. Now, imagine someone asks, what have you done so far? This is your chance to talk about your progress. Use this pattern. I've plus past participle. Examples. I've completed 1 English course. I've finished 3 books. I've created 20 videos. I've learned many new words. I've improved my listening skills. I've passed my exam. I've applied for several jobs. I've saved some money. I've built my portfolio. I've practiced speaking every day. Notice that we're talking about completed results. Now let's make the answers longer. I've completed 1 English course and I'm currently taking another one. I've created 20 YouTube videos so far. I've improved my pronunciation a lot. I've learned many useful expressions. These answers sound more interesting. Part 4. Talking about things you haven't done yet. Now someone asks, what haven't you done yet? Use this pattern. I haven't plus past participle yet. Examples. I haven't finished my course yet. I haven't found a new job yet. I haven't reached my goal yet. I haven't traveled abroad yet. I haven't passed the test yet. I haven't started my own business yet. I haven't become fluent yet. I haven't completed the project yet. I haven't uploaded the video yet. I haven't applied for the visa yet. Remember, yet usually comes at the end of the sentence. Part 5. Putting everything together. Now let's answer all 4 questions naturally. Question. What have you been working on? Answer. I've been studying English every day because I want to work abroad. Question: what have you been doing lately? Answer: I've been working, studying English, and learning digital marketing in my free time. Question: what have you done so far? Answer: I've completed one English course, created several YouTube videos, and improved my speaking skills. Question: what haven't you done yet? Answer: I haven't reached my goal yet, but I'm making steady progress every day. Notice how natural these answers sound. Part 6, a complete example. Now let's listen to a complete answer. Imagine your friend asks, "What have you been working on lately?" You can answer like this. Recently, I've been focusing on improving my English. I've been studying every day and practicing speaking as much as possible. So far, I've completed one English course and learned a lot of useful vocabulary. I haven't become fluent yet, but I can see that I'm improving little by little. I'm going to keep practicing until I reach my goal. This is exactly how native speakers often answer. They usually talk about what they've been doing, what they've completed, what they haven't completed, and their future plan. Part 7, useful expressions. Here are some useful expressions you can use. I've been focusing on. I've been trying to. I've been learning. I've been practicing. So far, I've already. I haven't yet. I'm still working on it. I'm making progress. I'm getting better little by little. I'm improving every day. My goal is to. I'm planning to. These expressions will make your English sound much more natural. Practice time. Now it's your turn. Answer these 4 questions. Question 1. What have you been working on? Question 2. What have you been doing lately? Question 3. What have you done so far? Question 4. What haven't you done yet? Try to answer using your own life. Don't memorize someone else's answers. The more personal your answer is, the easier it is to remember. Excellent job! Today, you learned how to answer 4 very common English questions. What have you been working on? What have you been doing lately? What have you done so far? And what haven't you done yet? Remember, don't just learn English. Use English to talk about your own life. That's how you become a confident speaker. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Speak English Anywhere, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Speak English Anywhere.